Hello all, welcome to Keyword. Now, let's know some interesting facts about India and economy as well as know about a concept called entrepreneurship. India's economy is a mixture of modern industry and mechanized agriculture. India is a major exporter of technology services and business outsourcing. India is considered as a developing or emerging nation. Don't you want it to be heard as a developed nation, a nation of possibilities? Startup India is a flagship initiative of the Government of India, intended to build a strong ecosystem that is conducive for the growth of startup businesses to drive sustainable economic growth and generate large scale employment opportunities. The government, through this initiative, aims to empower startups to grow through innovation and design. Top government schemes for startups in India: Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, Atal Innovation Mission, a game changer. Atal Innovation Mission is a kind of game changer for all the people around India. It has incubators for entrepreneurs, creating them as a job creator rather than job seeking people. A vision of transforming India into a country of job creators instead of job seekers. These programs have catalyzed the startup culture, with startups getting recognized through the Startup India initiative and many entrepreneurs availing the benefits starting their own businesses. In India, my India. Wow, how nice it is to say so. Yes, it is a region that supports more than 8% of Earth's biodiversity. Its natural beauty is unparalleled. Whenever I sleep, whenever I get up, whenever I do anything, I am happy, sad, or whatever mood I am in, I get these words from my mother nature and my motherland. Foreigners invest in me, why don't you? People of knowledge and curiosity explore. Build, grow together. I am you. Wake up for a better India. Nation is with you. Government is with you. You are the only one to go with them. Get a solution to natural problems as an entrepreneur. Future economy of India is a result of future investors as an entrepreneur by mind and investor in reality as a citizen of India. So that I say, let's grow together for a better India, for a better future of us. Like to learn more about leadership and entrepreneurship? If yes, mail us using the mail ID available in the description below. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video. Until then, signing off. Keyword.